Hi everyone and welcome to this week's video here at the Legoland Windsor Woodland Village. We're staying here in a woodland cabin. We've been very kindly gifted this stay by Legoland Windsor and Merlin Entertainments, and we're going to show you everything that a stay here includes, starting off by showing you around the cabin. You start with that outside patio area with a table and 4 chairs. You're going to sit outside and have breakfast tomorrow. And then you come into the entrance and you've got your hanging space, cupboards with fridge, desk with kettle and hairdryer, and a chair if you need to do any work. Telly, which has Lego movies, which we're going to be watching later. And then you've got the double bed, which you might now be thinking, this room sleeps 5. Where are they going to go? Follow me. Ta-da! We have a double bunk bed with a bottom pull-out trunkle bed. That's really cute. It's got, if you look, it's got night lights. And if you press this button, you can change what it does. Oh well, he's definitely going to have it on the green one, right?
Also, kids have their own TV as well.
Oh yeah, kids TV. I like it, this is cute. And there's obviously some Lego in here to play with and some little things. And then this way is the bathroom. It's a nice spacey bathroom with a walk-in shower, bricks and bubbles, shampoo and conditioner. It's a proper little room. It's got a rainfall and a handheld. Toilet, sink, amenities. And then you've got more hanging space this side with some drawers. Oh no, it's not a drawer, it's a safe. It's a safe and a drawer. So I had a look for the cost of this room 4 days before we were due to stay here. If you booked directly through Legoland, it was £420 for the night. That includes your park tickets and everything else the accommodation comes with. If you book through Merlin Holiday Club, which you can book through if you've got a Merlin annual pass, and then pre-book your park tickets for Legoland, it was $278. So there's a big discount on that for this stay. And that's it. That's the Legoland Holiday Village Woodland Cabin.